2 eggs, 120 grams of sugar. Mix well. 10 milliliters of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, 150 milliliters of vegetable oil, 360 grams of wheat flour, add half of it now. Sift the flour. Start mixing with a whisk. Add the remaining half of the flour. 12 grams of baking soda. Using your hands will now be easier. Divide the dough into 2 halves. Add 10 grams of cocoa powder to 1/2 of the dough. Mix well. Half with cocoa powder, half simply plain. Roll and flatten with your hands. You can also mix them together. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Perfect!